Hi, Glenda back from Top Notch Legal, and today I'm talking about copying contracts. Now, copying someone else's contracts, their terms and conditions, privacies, policies, etc., is very easy today with the help of the internet. But is the time that you save and the cost that you save really worth it? Is it cost effective? Of course, business owners are always looking for ways to save on time, to save on costs, and so it's very tempting to just load terms and conditions, just download them from the internet. But the time that you save, the cost that you save could cost you dearly down the track. Besides the fact that you've copied someone else's terms and conditions, which could be a breach of copyright, you may also have copied terms and conditions that have been written for a different jurisdiction or a different country, in which case they may not be enforceable in Australia. You may have copied terms and conditions from a different industry, which has clauses that you don't need or don't make sense, or which fail to include provisions that you need to protect your business. I want to give you an example. Let's say that you provide software to customers in the retail industry. So they're all your customers are supplying goods and services to retailers, and they're under hefty penalties if there's any breach in the supply chain to their customers. Now, there's a problem with your software, and the effect of that is that one of your customers has a whole division that's down for a week, and you've not been able to fix it, and the customer is now saying to you, I'm going to sue you. Your first reaction is not to worry, because you've got this contract that you copied and it says that you won't be liable for any loss at all. Well, that sort of clause is highly questionable in Australia. Now, for example, let's look at some of the losses that were suffered by your customer. They're up for salary payments for staff that couldn't work for a whole week, so that is a claim that they can make. They've had damage to their reputation. That's a claim they can make. Their customers are up for penalties, and their customers are going to make a claim against your customer, and your customer is going to claim that back against you. Are you protected for all of those heads of claim? Probably not. So I urge you, don't engage in false economy by copying contracts of others. Spend the money. It's an investment. Get a professional lawyer to draw up terms and conditions specifically for your business. That's it from me today, Glenda from Top Notch Legal.